System errors causing the external I/O SDRplay RSP1 DLL crashes in SDRplay RSP1 Radio Plugin. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. While we cover the technical fix for external I/O SDRplay RSP1, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the external I/O SDRplay RSP1, a specialized SDR interface library designed for SDRplay RSP-series receivers, enabling real-time communication between SDR software and USB radio hardware. It manages device control and streaming pipelines. If missing, SDR tools may fail hardware detection and display errors such as no hardware detected or Extio module not found. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Extio.SDRplay.RSP1 belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including external I/O SDRplay RSP1. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or unverified version of external I/O SDRplay RSP1 DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to external I/O SDRplay RSP1. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing external I/O SDRplay RSP1 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.